Hello and welcome to my channel Tech Travel Gani. So let's do the unboxing and have a first look on Zebronics stereo earphone with inbuilt mic. Now it is of model ZEB-EM930. We have another model of EM940 from Zebronics itself. Both are available at Amazon. I bought it by Amazon at rupees 280 of this model, and you will get EM940 at rupees 250. So let's quickly do the unboxing. So this is the headphone, you can see, and I already used it and found that it has a good stereophonic effect. So it's a good sound and have a good bass. So this is a 3.5 mm headphone jack, as you can see, and so let's open it. Okay, this has dual mode switch, you can see, that is for smartphone and for feature phone. If you can zoom it more, you can see. Now you can see it has a dual mode switch, that is for smartphone and for feature phone. And this is the call button. You can do the call from this itself, and has an inbuilt mic, as you can see. So this is all the setup you will get on buying this headphone, and obviously it is a affordable cheap headphone and a good one, good quality headphone with a good sound, bass and stereophonic effect. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel Tech Travel Gani and like this video, share this video. And I used to give at least one video a week for you to see and enjoy. Thank you.